Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in at Apple.com using your current Apple ID and password. This authenticates you to edit account details. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication prompts will reach a trusted device or phone number so you can approve changes. If you plan to change the name, locate the account section immediately, click Edit. You do this now because changing name and password requires re-verification. Having recovery email and trusted phone accessible prevents lockout. You now change the visible name and then update the password in a deliberate order. Edit your name first in Account Edit, type the new first and last name, and save so display name updates across services. Next, go to Security Change Password. Enter current password, then a strong new passphrase you haven't used elsewhere. When prompted, approve via two-factor authentication. After changing the password, make sure to update it in Settings on all devices and in your password manager. You finish by signing out and back in on each device so the new name and password propagate. This forces iCloud, Mail, and App Store to refresh. Make sure your display name appears correctly in contacts and shared items, and confirm sync data is intact. If you encounter problems, such as being unable to verify two-factor codes, begin account recovery immediately or contact Apple support. Keep proof of purchase and recovery info handy to speed verification and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.